Hi everyone, this is Abdurrahman Gilal. I've got some emails from some users. They say like once they follow the steps that I told them, they are not able to successfully upload the files in the server. So in this video, I'll tell you that if you're working with MacBook or Linux or Unix, so there are certain things that may cause trouble while uploading, your files or client files into the server. It is all because of the settings, it has nothing to do much with the code itself, but it's more like when you are trying to work with the operating system on MacBook, let's say. So when you're trying to upload data, so the folder permission does not allow you to basically do it. So let's say on the MacBook, if you're working with a MacBook, so what you have to do, for example, like I made a folder, like the same thing that I gave you example in the last video. So program 2, I have done the same thing that I'm using now program 3. So let's say I'm writing my name once again, and I choose a file, let's say, and I run it. So you see, Abdurrahman, sorry, we could not make the folder. So if they cannot make the folder, if they cannot do anything, which means how will I be able to upload the thing? So I have this, my, web page that I made it for free. I told you in the first video. So let's say I'm gonna upload the exact same files here and see like if they can work fine. So I have chosen these two, and I'm gonna just simply place there in the htdocs. So this folder called html dot sorry index.php, I deleted, so we don't have to worry. So you see, when I now refresh it, so I have the same thing here. I'm gonna write here on the server side, sorry, on the web hosting. I'm gonna try to upload the same file like index.php. I upload it. So you see the folder is ready and the file uploaded successfully. So if you try to refresh it, and you're gonna see that you have the folder. Sorry about that. You see, not you. Okay, if you go to htdocs, you see now I have the Rahman folder here, and I've got this HTML index.php file there. That means that code did not have any problem. It has a problem with the permission of the the system that you're working it. Okay, so easy peasy way is that what you do is that first of all, go to your folder if you're using MacBook, right click on here, go to services. In here, you have to go to the new terminalit folder. As soon as you click on here, you have something like this terminal. So here you have to write sudo chmod, and then you write -r, and here you write 777. And when you say 777, which means you are allowing the permission, and space dot when you say dot, which means to that folder. So now anything that's within that folder has been permission has been granted. It will ask you to provide the password. So that's it. So you got all set. So you see, so if you wanted to do it again, so that's okay now. So now the same file, I'm just gonna refresh and I'm gonna choose. You see now it's okay. So once again, I must tell you that if you're working with the MacBook, you should write sudo chmod and then -r, and then you write 777. This is a permission. Space dot means with that folder that you're working with. So as soon as you do that, so you go back to your local folder right here. Now you see you have a file that you have successfully uploaded everything. I hope it's useful. If you have any other question or queries, please do not hesitate to talk to me. Thank you so much, guys.